Okay guys, power on the drone, power on the remote, pair it, turn on my phone, and we will try and connect to the Wi-Fi. I even have a second phone here I'll show you guys. It will not connect to either. This is an iPhone, this is an Android. So, turn the Wi-Fi off, turn it back on. Ever since I upgraded the firmware on the app for this drone, it will not connect to the Wi-Fi anymore. See guys, like, absolutely nothing. It will not find the Wi-Fi. So I'll check it in this one to show you guys. It's not in my list. See? Refresh it. Not in the list. It will not show up. So which means this drone is certainly not worth the $160 some I paid for it, and it's absolutely a paperweight right now and useless to me without being able to use the camera. So hopefully you guys know a way to fix this, or I guess I'd have to want a refund, guys. Thanks.